So John, what do you think of the show so far?
It's alright. Lots of sheep, lots of cattle.
So tell us about yesterday then.
Sunny. Very sunny.
Yeah.
Went alright, didn't it? There's a few people around, mostly children. But it was alright, we had a good day. Come on, interviewers supposed to ask questions.
Have a good sleep.
Not really, no.
Where did you sleep, John?
Back in the van.
Slept in the van?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's not as comfortable as I thought it would be.
Yeah. Do you reckon we sold any bikes this weekend?
Yeah, I think there's been one sold already, isn't there?
Jersey Bike Repairs?
Yeah. Yeah. But we're having a good time.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Hopefully the rain will stay off for the day.
If it isn't already going already?
Yeah. Make it a bit whatever.
Yeah.
And everybody's aware that Josh has been the shittest person around it and the slowest. Richard decided not to go around it because he would just beat everybody.
Alright.
But
so what do you think of the show overall then?
every other year, sound, you know, if you like.
So what bike you on here then?
I've got the bike I want. I'd probably pick this if it was.
No, John, what bike are you on?
Well, what bike am I on? Sorry. A Norgo something or other.
It's an Empire 5.
That's the one.
Sound.
From the Boss, Empire 5.
Hi, this is Jersey Bike Repairs at West Show in St Peters. Beautiful, sunny yesterday, today raining. We've got some demo bikes here from Norco and Santa Cruz. That's what we're doing, got a little test track and run you quickly through the bikes. We've got Norco Cockney here, probably a Canadian name. That's just like a kind of standard hardtail bike. LT, 140mm long travel, longish travel, Santa Cruz. Chameleon, hardtail. Nice feature, the frames just like the straight through beam. Well, the air obviously, but nice and chunky back end. The Norco Phase, which is their about 4-inch 100mm travel cross-country bike. And then finally the LT 6.1 here, which has a few features like it's got the Hammerschmidt gearbox on the front, retail village. Got some bikes from different various bikes here, Norco there, Fuji, Identity bike, a Surly cross-check, like a little bit of custom build, smooth riding commuter bike. We've got the Norco VFR3 hybrid bike over there, the black one, and the Norco Volt BMX. Fuji Sunfire, really nice feature of these bikes is their frames. Seem really good tubing material, very lightweight and stuff. Surly. Nice, just say just like a custom build, like a commuter bike, something like that. Nice easy tourer, swept back handlebars, real smooth, rides really nice. He's on. Burn, danger.
So where did you sleep?
Yeah, well, a mixture between here and home. Here for most of the night. A bit windy. All I heard when I woke up. But not too bad. Nice pizza takeaway delivery last night, good. Probably the highlight of the evening. That and the Mighty Boosh. John didn't like the Mighty Boosh.
And got the telly set up there for the DVDs. There we go. So that's the West Show 2010.